So Jose just informed us that they're doing the Pro Bowl here this week. I mean, isn't this adorable? Like, the thought process that Disney refuses to get a bellman all the time. He is my personal bellman. Definitely gives like the vibes of like Portugal, Spain. Good morning from the beautiful Coronado Resort. We are getting ready to check out. We've got all our bags. Jose has not opted for the minivan today, so we are gonna try to take the bus service. So I don't know, maybe we'll go to like Animal Kingdom or Disney Springs, and then from there we'll connect because we are switching resorts. We're going to stay at the Polynesian today, my bucket list hotel. Very excited. So come along, and let's get going. All right, here is the view from our window in the daytime. It's very nice. We got a view of the Villa del Largo. One thing I didn't say last night, I'll tell you what is our room number when we get outside. Yeah, really nice. I would, it's a little bit far, but if you're looking to save a little bit of money and you don't want to stay in the tower, I think this is a good choice. All right, if you liked our room, we were in 3226 here at Coronado in the Casitas building number 3. And yeah, once again, this is our view. In Casitas Building 3. Very beautiful. Lucia, do you like the hotel?
Yeah.
Lucia, poor Lucia was sleeping when we got in last night. So Jose just informed us that they're doing the Pro Bowl here this week. I thought it usually was in Hawaii. Yes, we're waiting for the elevator. So I'm like, does that entice you, or are you a little bit more excited? He's like, no. I mean, isn't this adorable? Like, the thought process that Disney puts into everything is just, it's just amazing. Hoping my footage isn't, I feel like I'm overly caffeinated, lack of sleep, so my hands are like super shaky today, so hopefully this camera adjusts it for me. All right, stubborn Jose refuses to get a bellman all the time. He is my personal bellman.
Mommy, it's gonna be warm.
It's gonna be warm? It's warm today, you know, right? By us, it's like 30 degrees. All right, so here is the Maya Grill. We went here last night. Actually, no, we didn't go here. We went to the El Mercado de Coronado. It's basically like the quick service version. Lucia, got an independent walker. Stubborn husband. You see what I deal with on vacation? Oh, and we couldn't see this last night, but over there it looks like is the pool.
Let's go potty.
Oh, really? Already? Alright, I've got to get a pin from here. It's very cute. I'm going to see what other ones they have. They actually have some very cute stuff. Definitely gives like the vibes of like Portugal, Spain. Oops. Oh my gosh. This is really pretty.
Here. What? Let me give you money to draw for good luck.
Oh, I have some money, yeah.
Oh, one more. Okay, one more.
You gotta make a wish. Okay, make a wish.
Throw it up. Throw it up. Go. Good job.
You did it.
I want to do it again.
habanero hot sauce here. Lucia, you can't bring that. No, no, no. Can you put it back, please?
Ready for your baby.
Well, we can't bring it on the airplane. Oh my gosh. This is some of the new merch. I haven't seen that before. In case you didn't get an autograph book, they have those. And they do have like stuff if you run out of diapers, wipes, and all that. They always have those. Along with any kind of like medicine that you could need. Alright, we have some pins here. So we're gonna get a Coronado pin. Since we never stayed here, we had to get a Coronado pin for Lucia's collection I'm starting. Yes? Yes? Yeah! Oh, they have the Mexico Mickey shirt here. I thought they were only gonna have that at Epcot, so that's kind of cool. And then yeah, basically over there, they have like soft drinks, little snacks, alcohol. You want to get. Now I'm looking for that Little Word Project bracelets. They're almost like those little beaded friendship bracelets. Oh, they have this, but that's not exactly what I'm looking for. I heard they were at Disney Springs, so we might see if we could go there today. They have them here. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Yep, I wanted one of those. Okay, I'm gonna have to get one. Snack Goals, Park Hopper. I love these. Definitely cute. So this is the main lobby. When you walk in, if you get any like bus, transportation, or personal like minivan or whatever, they'll just bring you right here, and then from there you can walk. But yeah, definitely just a gorgeous, gorgeous hotel. A lot of like thought and detail go into all their properties. But this one is definitely one of the prettier ones that we've stayed at. We had a little bit of a meltdown a second ago.
Mommy, look at
So the bus is just like around the corner here. Let's see which one we're gonna go to check out Disney Springs since our bags won't be ready in time, so we're gonna walk around. So basically everything is labeled, and they're usually pretty good about telling you what time your bus is coming. Most of the resorts have it. So the next bus is at 10:05, so it should be here any minute.
Disney Springs?
Yeah.
For what? Okay.
Yeah, we just go find the one. Alright, it is 10:30. We're just getting to Disney Springs, so we're gonna do a little shopping, maybe get some lunch here, and then head on over to the Poly. But yeah, I definitely want to go to World of Disney and see if they have more selection of those Little Word Project bracelets. And my sister so generously gave Lucia a gift card for Christmas and birthday, so we're gonna let her do some shopping here. Of course, we're not going to spend all our money because tomorrow we're leaving for the Disney Wish. So if you're not already subscribed and you want to follow along, be sure to do that.
I've been all